Hi, good morning children. I am Rahul sir. Today we will start unit 7. There is a poem. Name of the poem is Puppy and I. I think all of you are aware of the word puppy. Puppy means baby dog या कुत्ते का पिल्ला. Okay, now we will move forward. Here you can see there is a small child and he was living on the hills in a village, and one day he was searching for a friend to play with him. Okay, now I will recite the poem, then I will explain it. Puppy and I met a man as I went walking. We got talking, man and I. Where are you going to, man? I said. Down to the village to get some bread. Will you come with me? No, not I. I met a horse as I went walking. We got talking, horse and I. Where are you going to, horse, today? Down to the village to get some hay. Will you come with me? No, not I. I met a puppy as I went walking. We got talking, puppy and I. Where are you going this fine day? Up in the hills to roll and play. I will come with you, puppy, said I. So children, this was the poem. In the poem, there was a boy, he was searching for a friend to play with him. At first, he met a man, as you can see in the picture. So he asked him, where are you going? So man said, I am going down to the village to get some bread. So the children said, no, I will not come with you, you can go. After that, he met a horse, as you can see in the picture. So he asked the horse. So the horse said that I am going down to the village to get some hay. Here hay, H-A-Y, hay means dry grass which the animals like cow, buffalo and horse eat. Okay, so here the child said no to horse, that I will not come with you. Now again, after some time he met a puppy, as you can see in the picture. Here the puppy said that I am going up to the hills to roll and play. And the problem of the child is solved now, because he got a partner to play with him, and he decided to go with him, and they both went to the hills and they enjoyed a lot. So this was the poem, children. Now I will again revise it. Here I met a man as I went walking. We got talking, man and I. Here they together they talk, man and this child. Here he asked that where are you going? So man said down to the village to get some bread. Here again child asked that will you come with me? Sorry, the man asked that will you come with me? So the child said no, not I. Then he met a horse as I went walking. We got talking, horse and I. So then he talked to the horse. Here you can see he asked to the horse, where are you going, horse, today? So horse ने क्या बोला? Down to the village to get some hay. Then the horse asked the child that will you come with me? No, not I. Again he said no. And I met a puppy. Then at last he met a puppy, and he asked puppy, where are you going this fine day? So the puppy said, up in the hills to roll and play. And the child said, I will come with you, puppy. Okay, so this was the poem. Now we will move forward and see there are some new words. Here hills means mountains. Hay means dry grass for feeding animals. Roll means go round and round. Fine means clear. Here fine means you can say that clear sky or sunny day. About means with regard to or with respect to, और you can say उसके बारे में. जैसे कि write 5 lines about your pet animal. About मतलब उसके बारे में. Together मतलब एक दूसरे के साथ या एक साथ. Collected और with each other. Then domestic means pet और घरेलू. Wild means जंगली, जो जंगल में रहता है वो. Now you can see there are some question answers. First question, who is I in the poem? Name of the poem is Puppy and I. So who was I? I was a small child. Here you can say I is the poet or a small child in the poem. Next, number 2, where was the man going? वो कहाँ जा रहा था? Yes, he was going down to the village to get some bread. The man was going down to the village to get some bread. Number 3, why didn't the child go with the horse? जो लड़का था वो हॉर्स के साथ क्यों नहीं गया? Yes, the child didn't go with the horse because the horse was going to the village to get some hay, and the child wants to play and enjoy, so he didn't go with the horse. Number 4, why did the child go with the puppy? Yes, the child wanted to play and the puppy was going up in the hills to roll and play. So the child decided to go with the puppy, or he went with the puppy. Okay, now next. Children, this is the question for you. Do you have a pet? If you have your pet at your home, you can write yes, then you can write no. Okay, now number 6. Talk about the 3 things that you and your pet do together. Okay, now I think all of you know about the pet animals. So the pet animals are the animals which can live with us in our home. ऐसे एनिमल जो हमारे घर के अंदर हमारे साथ रह सकते हैं. And children, I think you know, all of you know that there is a big difference between domestic animals and pet animals. Domestic animals, they can live with us, but they can live or outside our house. वो हमारे घर के बाहर हमारे साथ रहेंगे. But pet animals can live with us in our house. So I will give name of some pet animals like dog, cat, rabbit, tortoise, parrot. They all are pet animals. But if we talk about domestic animals, so they are buffalo, cow, goat, then camel. They are all domestic animals. So here you have to tell what all things you and your pet animal can do together. I will show you some answers for that. Number 1, we play football together, or we play together, you can write. Then we can see TV together. If you just imagine that you have a dog as your pet animal, so you and your dog can watch TV together. Then we sleep in the same room. Then we go for walking together. Sometimes you have also seen that the people used to go with the dog for walking. Okay, so you can also go like that. Now number 7, how do you look after your pet? Tell in the class in your own language and then in English. So children, you have to tell how you are, or in what way you will take care of your animal or pet animal. Okay, now I will show how I will take care. I told that my cat's name is Diego and I feed the Diego daily. हम उसको खाना देंगे, जो भी पेट एनिमल है, डॉग है, चाहे कैट है या कुछ भी है. Then I will play with the Diego in the garden. मैं उसके साथ खेलूँगा. Not only that, I will also go with my pet animal for walking. Okay, and whenever that animal is sick, I will take that animal to the animal's doctor. Okay, now there are some rhyming words. Here they are: bread, said, hay, today, or day you can say, roll, pole, to, you, pet, cat, no, go, man, can, down, town, come, some, fine, sign, hill, will. So these are some of the rhyming words from the poem. You can add some more words also from your side. Now there is a small rhyme on T-Blue, or you have to recognize this is one kind of puzzle. Who am I? Okay, T-Blue. T-Blue is my friend. T-Blue has 4 legs. T-Blue इस बच्चे का दोस्त है और उसके कितने पैर कितने हैं? It has 4 legs. T-Blue has a long tail. उसका एक लंबा tail भी है. Then you have to tell who is Tiblu. Okay, there are some more hints. Tiblu barks, मतलब वो भौंकता भी है. Tiblu wags his tail, वो अपनी tail को हिलाता भी है. Tiblu is happy. Who is Tiblu now? Yes, Tiblu is a dog. It is very simple. Now next, you can see picture of some different kind of animals. Okay, children, can you recognize which type of dog is this? Okay, I will show you. This is bulldog, and this one, it's a boxer. This is German Shepherd, and this one is Doberman. So children, there are different types of dogs. अलग अलग तरह के कुत्ते होते हैं, जैसे कि हमने देखा है पर बुलडॉग, बॉक्सर, जर्मन शेफर्ड, डॉबरमैन. एंड आई थिंक बुलडॉग इज वेरी डेंजरस. ओके, नेक्स्ट number 10, let's write. Okay, you have to look at the dogs in the picture and write about them. You might begin like this. I am a little brown dog. आपको डॉग के बारे में कुछ लिखना है, मतलब कि जैसे कि डॉग लिख रहा है. My name is Supreme. I have a little tail. I have 4 legs. I can run very fast. And I like to drink milk and eat biscuits. So you can add some more sentence from your side. Okay, here you have to match the animals with their sounds. I have already written up against the name of particular animal. The first one is horse. So the sound of horse is called neigh. Dog can make bark sound. Sheep can make bleats. Cat mews. Elephant trumpets. Tiger roars. Cow moves. Children, these are some of the sounds which can be made by different animals. Now number 12, list these animals under domestic animals and wild animals. So children, here you can see in blue letters there are name of some animals. You have to differentiate them into domestic animals and wild animals. I will read out this name of these animals: jackal, fox, tiger, dog, cow, elephant, bear, sheep, goat, and buffalo. First of all, I want to tell you that wild animals are animals which lives in jungle and they are harmful for us. They can kill us. While domestic animals are animals which live नियर अस, हमारे आसपास रहते हैं, एंड दे आर नॉट हार्मफुल टू अस, वो हमें नुकसान नहीं करते. सो नाउ आई थिंक जैकल इज अ वाइल्ड एनिमल, देन फॉक्स इज ऑल्सो वाइल्ड एनिमल, टाइगर इज ऑल्सो वाइल्ड एनिमल, डॉग इज डोमेस्टिक एनिमल, काउ इज ऑल्सो डोमेस्टिक एनिमल, देन एलिफेंट इट मे बी वाइल्ड और डोमेस्टिक. अगर पालतू होगा, किसी ने पाला है तो वो डोमेस्टिक होगा, नहीं तो वो वाइल्ड में जाएगा. Then bear is also wild animal, sheep is a domestic animal, then goat is also domestic animal, buffalo is also domestic animals. Children, here is the list. Domestic animals, they are dog, cow, sheep, goat and buffalo. They are not harmful for us and they are useful to us. We can get so many things from them. As you can see, cow, goat and buffalo, they give us milk, sheep gives us wool, and dog is our best friend and it can guard our house. So they are useful animals. While wild animals, they are wild and they can harm us, they can kill us, and they are jackal, fox, elephant, tiger and bear. Now here you have to fill in the blanks with rhyming words. You have to write down 2 rhyming words for each word, each given word. Here for hill there are 2 rhyming words, bill and till. For hay, away and day. For fine, sign and line. For get, set and mat. For going, snowing and throwing. For hair, care and dare. So these are some of the rhyming words. Now this is very important topic. Children, you have to fill in the blanks with correct option. Okay, the first blank, there are 7 days in a blank. Options are week and week. Here you can see they both are pronounced as a week, W-E-E-K and W-E-A-K, week. They are similar in pronunciation but they have different meaning. So there are 7 days in a week, W-E-E-K, week is the correct answer. So here is the correct answer, you can see W-E-E-K, week, मतलब एक सप्ताह. And this week, W-E-A-K मतलब कमजोर. B, please dash for me in the school. Options W-E-I-G-T, wait, and W-A-I-T, wait. So which one is correct? I think W-A-I-T, wait is correct. Please wait for me in the school. So W-A-I-T, wait is correct answer. W-E-I-G-H-T, wait means वजन होता है. Then C, dash is used to make wood, और सॉरी मेक फर्नीचर आएगा यहाँ पर. तो यहाँ पर wood is used to make furniture. D, the blank is quite pleasant today. तो क्या आएगा? weather, W-E-A-T-H-E-R, weather. E, here is a blank of chocolate. तो पीस आएगा या पीस? दिस P-E-A-C-E, पीस मतलब शांति होता है, और P-I-E-C-E, पीस मतलब टुकड़ा होता है. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज P-I-E-C-E, पीस. हियर इज अ पीस ऑफ चॉकलेट. देन F, द ब्लैंक नीड्स टू बी वॉश्ड रेगुलरली. हियर H-A-I-R, हेयर मतलब जो सिर के बाल है वो, और H-A-R-E, हेयर मतलब जो रैबिट के लिए भी यूज होता है. सो द H-A-I-R, हेयर इज करेक्ट आंसर. Now there is one more topic. You have to choose the right words. First I will read out this. Bruno. Bruno is my pet puppy. He breaks his dish. He is sad. Daddy gives him milk, but Bruno is sad. Mummy gives him a new dish. Now Bruno is happy. So here you can say small paragraph is there, but after that there are some blanks. You have to fill that blanks with correct answer by after reading this paragraph. Okay, number 1, Bruno is my blank, pet or dish? Yes, it is pet. You can see here Bruno is my pet. He breaks his blank, dish or fish? He breaks his dish. Then number 3, Daddy gives him blank, milk or water? Yes, Daddy gives him milk. You can see here. Then number 4, Mummy gives him a new blank, fish or dish? Yes, Mummy gives him a new dish. Then Bruno is now blank, sad or happy? Yes, Bruno is now happy. It is very easy. Now you have to write an essay on your favorite animal. Okay, I have written my own essay. Children, you have to write your own essay. इसको कॉपी नहीं करना, आपको अपना खुद लिखना है. Okay, dog is a pet animal. I have written dog as my pet animal. So dog is a pet animal. Dog has sharp teeth and 4 legs. Dog has 2 eyes, 2 ears and a tail. Dog is very clever and useful animal. It runs very fast and barks loudly. Dogs are very faithful animal, or you can say they are very loyal animal. बहुत वफादार होते हैं. It has sharp mind and strong sense of hearing and smelling things. Dogs are very useful for catching thieves. So here I have written an essay on a dog. So you can write on your favorite animal. Now at last it is your homework. First you have to draw picture of your favorite pet animal. आपका जो फेवरेट पेट एनिमल है उसके बारे में कुछ लिखना है, कुछ सेंटेंसेस उसको ड्रॉ करना है. देन यू टू राइट सम सेंटेंस अबाउट योर फेवरेट पेट एनिमल. एक पिक्चर ड्रॉ भी करना है फेवरेट पेट एनिमल का, और उसके बाद उसके बारे में कुछ लिखना भी है. सो दिस इज योर होमवर्क चिल्ड्रन. ओके, बाय.